Ethereum is rocking and rolling harder than John Bonham, Pert and Tommy Lee combined. But its price action and gas fees are more out of sync than Ringo Starr. So is Ethereum playing its Chinese democracy? A dud after such a long wait for EIP 1559 has brought some good news, but lackluster network performance. Or is Vitalik quietly writing the next Black Album for the diamond-shaped crypto that's been rocking our portfolio all year? Let's get it. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, home of the BitSquad, the largest and greatest crypto community in all of the interwebs. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in crypto. If you like money and crypto, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. In this video, we bring you the latest on Ethereum and its price potential for Q4. This is the Ethereum channel, and I'm proud of it. But we don't simp for coins, we also keep it real. Fact is, Ethereum continues its incredible developments in the NFT space and beyond, but is hampered by its success. The network is congested, and gas remains a thorn in the side for many users. But can Ethereum keep time with the band and play a face-melting solo? I think so. And the key to that is going to be Layer 2. Our old friend Polygon just surpassed Ethereum in active addresses, and its network isn't slowing down. We have a big bag of Polygon, and that's for a reason. Anything running close to Ethereum is going to be a solid performer, not just in token price, but in usability as well. The data coming out of Polyscan shows parabolic growth in active addresses on Polygon, going from 100K in June to almost 600K as of this week. Polygon really is the hot opening act for the headliner. It enjoys all the benefits of Ethereum smart contracts, but with a fraction of the fees and more speed. Gaming and NFTs have restrung Polygon's guitars to bring new folks into the blockchain fold. Polygon's side of OpenSea seen an increase in trading over 45x from last month. All of this action, though, hasn't made the price of Polygon's token, Matic, move that much. As of this recording, you can still grab some Matic for $1.28, which is a steal. Bitcoin's price movement has pulled a lot of the gains away from altcoins, but that's normal market behavior. Bitcoin moves and alts follow, sometimes within a few hours, other times weeks after. Polygon has been in sideways action for a while now, so it's set to pump along with Ethereum in the next month or so. If you were born to rock out and make gains, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. That puts you in the most metal squad of all time, the BitSquad. You'll get the latest in crypto education news and the sickest drum solos on the internet. Mirror is an Ethereum-based blogging platform that is fully opened up to anyone who wants to start blogging on the blockchain. While it looks and feels a lot like Medium, Mirror has all the advantages of smart contracts built in, including tipping, NFT collectibles, and auctions, user signatures from ETH wallets, and permanent backups via Arweave. The potential for Mirror to bring truth to journalism combined with a censorship-resistant way for information to be shared is everything that I love about crypto. This is only one way that Ethereum is going to revolutionize how information is shared across the internet. Want to hear an Ethereum joke? I would tell it to you, but the gas fees are too high.
Voy a la playa, había subido la marea. Eso. Eso. Había subido la marea y encontré una paella. Eso. Y la encontré porque montaba la paellera.
Ethereum Gas has been crazy this year, and while that has made DGen life more expensive, it's a net positive for the network. Doing a quick check on Etherscan shows who the main gwei guzzlers are: NFTs and games. 13% of all gas is getting used on OpenSea. That's amazing. And the sad part is, it's only going to get worse as more blockchain games come online and adoption soars over the next year. This is proving out Ethereum's utility for years to come, so get familiar with Layer 2 solutions if you want to make token gains in your portfolio or just waiting to get into more blockchain economies. Next year is going to be the year for Layer 2, so accumulate your cheap Ethereum and Layer 2 tokens while you can. ETH will continue to get burned at a faster rate, and while I'm not holding my breath for staking, it's smart to be looking ahead at Layer 2 Ethereum potential. Games like Sandbox are making the metaverse more accessible to the masses and already have partnerships with large companies, brands, and other games like Roller Coaster Tycoon. Ethereum has settled a staggering $6 trillion in transactions in the past 12 months, 369% increase over 2020. Q3 alone, $1.5 trillion got settled on the Ethereum blockchain. Thanks, Gary V. All of this volume is pulling more and more institutional money away from Bitcoin and into Ethereum. Some top analysts at the Nickelback of Finance, JP Morgan, shows that whales' interest in Bitcoin is waning. Futures contracts are moving more and more into Ethereum. It only makes sense because Bitcoin is just not going to make the large moves that it used to. But Ethereum can, and Ethereum will. It's tokenomics and fundamentals. Ethereum isn't just digital oil to Bitcoin's digital gold. It's the world computer. Imagine owning a piece of HTTP instead of stock in Google, or having a stake in TCP/IP instead of Instagram. Yeah, those sites are great, but the entire internet runs on HTTP and TCP/IP. You can't even compare the two. Ethereum's 10K peak this year is totally in play, and who knows, we could even see that double. That's right, there still is an extremely bullish path that could see ETH going to 20K. Take advantage anytime ETH is below 4K, it won't be there for long. Of course, none of this financial advice, just crypto education. Future for Ethereum is getting an incremental upgrade this month with the Altair upgrade on the Beacon chain. The Beacon chain is the proof of stake chain, different from the current ETH hash proof of work chain we all know and love. Altair is a warm-up for staking and is used to warm up the upcoming merge of the chains. The merge is set for early 2022 and will end proof of work Ethereum and begin proof of stake. But chain sharding will come later. How much later? No idea. But I can see Ethereum sharding taking shape sometime in Q4 2022. That's if the current rate of development keeps this pace. While gas will get lowered when the merge happens, it won't see its real drops until sharding is implemented. So keep that in mind. That's why Layer 2 is going to be so important moving forward. Crypto can't cross its fingers hoping that Ethereum is going to hit their milestones, because they haven't, ever. But just like any good rock band, they may take the stage an hour after the opener finished, but when they show up, you are guaranteed to rock out. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out!